Hello, this is the South Fork Skokomish Trail, although what we're really doing today is there's a little spur trail called the LeBar Horse Camp Trail. So when we get to the top of this ridge, we're going to leave the South Skokomish River Trail and see what that little spur trail is like. Anyway, thanks for coming along. Hey, we're on top of the ridge now. Some of these trees are 500 years old, they say. Check it out. Here's our little spur trail. I'll stand next to this one so you can see how big it really is. Wow. Here's the horse camp where the little trail starts.